Can you tell me, Haven, are you cold? Show me, are you cold? Are you hot? Hot. Yeah. Are you hungry? Are you thirsty? Are you sorry? Yeah. Can you say please? Yeah. Are you sleepy? What else does she know?
What else do you know? You know Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Where's your belly button? Yeah? Can you wiggle Daddy's ear? Can you wiggle Daddy's ear?
Where's Daddy's ear?
Can you wiggle it? Good girl. Can I see your new tooth?
Can you give Daddy a kiss?
What does a cow say? What does a horse say? What does a pig say? What does a sheep say? What does Mommy say? What does Mommy say? What does what does a fish say? What does a chicken say? Brook, brook, brook. That's right. What does a truck say? That's good. What does a snake say? What does a dog say? What does a monkey say? That's good. How old are you? You're 1. Very good. High five. Yay.